Hi guys, my name is Joe Acker, and this is my plan as far as my career so far. Um, what I really want to do is become a sports psychologist, and here are some of the things that describe the daily activities and duties that sports psychologists normally do with athletes. And the first thing is athlete performance. Sports psychologists try to teach their clients who are athletes to be at peak performance, and that's through cognitive restructuring and mental rehearsals and self-talk and various other concepts that allow them to reach that peak performance. Another aspect of being a sports psychologist is implementing coping skills to the athletes, and that's specifically for the pressures of competition, and to be able to handle those pressures and to be confident in one's abilities. Another aspect is team building. Sports psychologists strive to allow their organizations that they work for to be smooth running and to be at its greatest ability, that they can be able to work together as a team and have a great group dynamic. Another aspect is recovery. Sports psychologists help athletes who are dealing with injury to deal with the downside of recovery. If it might be, being on the sidelines for a long time, they help the athletes to deal with that stress and to recover well. In order to be a sports psychologist, you do have to enter into a clinical or counseling doctoral program. You have to receive that in order to be a sports psychologist. So that's something that I definitely want to do. I chose this major because I feel very passionate about human behavior and increasing an individual's well-being and mental state. And I love sports, and I just feel like this is a dream of mine, and it's a plan that I want to fulfill, and that is why I chose the major of psychology.